Okay, so we are at the Boulder Creek Critical Zone Observatories. This is the first meteorologic tower that we've built. We are right next to the Batasso water treatment plant, and we also have a line of sight down to Boulder, where my office is. At the top of this, we actually have an FM transmitter, which talks to the computer in my laboratory, so that I have near real-time data in the office, and I can also talk to the brains or the data logger of the system and change the program or download data or make any changes that I need to make. So I'll kind of walk you through what we have here for instrumentation or different sensors. So in the ground over here we actually have some can't really see them because they're buried, obviously, but we have soil moisture, soil temperature, and soil heat flux sensors buried at, I believe, 15 centimeters depth over there. So in this big job box, we have the power supply. We have a battery hardwired into AC power over there, and we have this is called a data logger. This is the brains of the whole setup over here. It's essentially a computer that we plug different sensors into, and the data logger will interpret the electrical signals from the different instrumentation and turn that into numbers that we can later use. So as we go up the tower, we have sensors duplicated at 2 meters and 10 meters. And the sensors we have at 2 meters, this is a relative humidity sensor that also records temperature. And on the other side over there, we have an anemometer, which measures wind speed and direction. As you go further up the tower at 5 meters, we have a net radiometer, which is the longer arm that has the 2 bubbles on it. And that measures, on the top bubble, it measures incoming solar radiation from the sun. And the bottom bubble measures the amount of energy that's absorbed by the ground or other items on the ground and re-reflected back out. So that gets us our net radiation. And next to it, there's a smaller sensor, and that's called a pyranometer, and that measures strictly incoming shortwave solar radiation. Doesn't measure the energy coming back up. As we continue up the tower up to 10 meters, we duplicated our 2 meter setup. We have another anemometer there measuring wind speed and direction. We have relative humidity and temperature. There's a small antenna up there for the FM transmitter. And then all the way at the top there, that kind of fuzzy ball looking thing is our lightning protection. Obviously it's a big metal tower with power supplied to it, sitting up on a hill. So the chances of it getting struck by lightning are fairly good. So we have that connected to some large copper plates buried in the ground to protect our system from lightning.